Okay, so now let's fill in this diagram that's all about RNA. First, we're going to label the diagram, and then we're going to fill in the blue box area. So that top box is asking you to label what that circle structure is. It's the same as it is in DNA, and that's the phosphate group. And then we have a 5-carbon sugar. In DNA, it's called deoxyribose, but for RNA, it's a ribose sugar. That's where the R comes from. And then we have the box where that arrow is. We're going to fill that in with our RNA nucleotide. It comprises of a phosphate, a sugar, and then a base. That's what a nucleotide is. And then at the bottom, it's pointing to uracil. That's going to be the different nitrogen base. You can see the cytosine, guanine, and adenine are the same as they are for DNA, but uracil is different in RNA. All right, so now let's go to the blue box and fill in this first sentence here. RNA is a blank-stranded nucleic acid. How many sides does RNA have? Well, if you look over here at the picture, normally DNA would have the sugar phosphate base on one side and then the pair on the other. This is only single-stranded, so that's what you're going to be writing in that box. And then each RNA nucleotide contains what 3 pieces? So they're in this green highlighted area. We've got the phosphate, the ribose sugar, and a base. And then I want you to write the 4 bases that we can find. So they're the 4 colors right here. So we have adenine, guanine, cytosine, and then we have uracil as the 4th base in RNA that's slightly different with DNA where it would be thymine. And then the base pairs at the bottom, adenine is going to pair with uracil, so A pairs with U, and then G pairs with C.